What's up my stylish people, this is Shank. Welcome back to the channel. This video is a little bit different. You must have seen clothing haul. This is a Amazon's grooming haul video and I wanted to show you guys quickly. This is going to be a short video starting with the product number 1 that I haven't opened it yet, but this is something which I felt it is required because I have seen very good reviews for this particular brand which is called M Caffeine. So this is a M Caffeine Naked and Raw Coffee Face Scrub. Even though it has been mentioned in the directions use it twice a week, I would suggest you guys to use face scrubs just once in a week. Don't overuse face scrubs. They are needed, but don't overuse them. When it comes to skin type, you can go for the normal to oily skin. If you have a combination skin or if you have an oily skin, you can go for this one. Always I used to go for tea tree face scrub previously along with the tea tree face wash. Before I used to go for that, but I just wanted to switch up when it comes to the scrubs. And I find this brand very genuine, and also when it comes to the price points, this is priced at 349 rupees and you are going to get 100 grams. I will make sure that I will provide my review on my Instagram page. If you're not following, make sure that you follow me on my Instagram page. Moving on to the next product from the Amazon's Beauty, it is a Mamaearth. It is a vitamin C foaming face wash. When it comes to the face wash, I generally keep 2 or 3 options depending on the climate and depending on how my skin is behaving at that point of time. Whenever I feel that I'm gonna develop pimples or my skin is feeling oily, I go for tea tree face wash, and the other face wash generally I would use would be the neem face wash. And from long time I wanted to buy one vitamin C face wash, and that's why I found this brand called Mamaearth, which is a vitamin C foaming face wash, this one with a vitamin C, and also it have a turmeric as well. The skin on our face is much more sensitive when it is compared to the body skin, so you need to be really careful and you need to know what is your skin type. The best part with this, it suits each and every skin type. And number 2, when it comes to the chemical composition, it is free of paraben as well as the sodium lauryl sulfate, which is also known as SLS. That's why I went ahead with this one. And the third reason, you have a cleanser as well. You can rub it in a circular motions. This can help you cleanse your face even more perfectly, but make sure that you clean this cleanser after each and every wash. I think it's a fair deal at a price point of 399 rupees, and when it comes to the quantity of this, it's a 150 ml. Moving on to the product number 3 I picked. These are from Urban Gabru, No Strips. In this package, you do get the BHA serum as well as the nose strips. They do have the bamboo charcoal composition as well as the aloe vera when it comes to nose strips. And when it comes to the BHA serum, they have this goodness of the green apple. So what you have to do, just dampen your nose area before applying this nose strip and just leave it for 10 minutes and peel it off. And after that, don't forget to apply this serum and also leave it for 10 minutes on that effective area, because the pores are going to get opened. You're going to remove the blackheads and whiteheads, right? So the pores are going to open. So make sure that you apply the serum, leave it for 10 minutes. Just wash that area and apply whatever the moisturizer generally you would go for. These are priced for 249 rupees and you're gonna get 4 strips. Moving on to the product number 4, and it is my favorite among the lot because I use this from a long time. When it comes to summer, this is my favorite shower gel, and this is Satsuma Body Shop shower gel, which is a 250 ml bottle. If you know Body Shop, generally they are priced relatively higher when it compares to the other brands. It is priced at 345 rupees for 250 ml. But this shower gel from the Body Shop actually lasts long because it produces so much of lather, and the fragrance you can get with this particular shower gel, it's really awesome, guys. In case if you haven't tried any of the shower gels, I would highly suggest to go for this one for summers, and also shea butter when it comes to the winters from the Body Shop. And don't forget to use loofah, by the way, when you're using the shower gels. Moving on to the product number 5 I picked from Amazon. This I used it already a couple of times. Generally, I'm not a huge fan when it comes to the hairsprays, but this hairspray from Urban Gabru, which do not have any gas and it have a strong hold to it, and it is priced at 250 rupees. This one do not have gas and it won't stick and it don't make your hair super duper rough. Moving on to the product number 6 from this Amazon's grooming haul. This is a shampoo from a brand called L'Oreal, and it is a L'Oreal Professional Series lineup. This particular brand, this is called as Seri Expert, and they do have different versions, but I went with this Absolute Repair shampoo, and this is a professional formula when it comes to the shampoo. Yes, it will be pricey, but it is well worth. In case if your hair is not such good condition, I think this is a shampoo you should try. It costs you 635 rupees for this 250 ml bottle, but I feel that the fragrance is awesome. I just wanted to restock this particular shampoo from L'Oreal Paris. That's it for this video, guys. For the first time I'm doing a grooming haul. I hope you guys like this video. You know the drill. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's it from me. See you guys next time.